Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about how to record and handle advance payment and due payment for customers using vouchers in eVital Lorix software. So vouchers are accounting records used to adjust customer balances. They do not change the invoice total. They help you keep the ledger accurate and make settlement of dues simple. There are two types of voucher. One is debit voucher and second is credit voucher. We'll see both in detail. So to create a vouchers, customer vouchers, you can go to the more option, customers, your customer list. Search that particular customer here and select that particular name and your more option, add voucher. So there is a two type, debit and credit. Debit voucher means it is used to record pending dues from customer. For example, if a customer has an outstanding balance from earlier bills or previous software, you record it here. Impact is debit voucher is added to the customer due balance during the settlement. Will create a debit voucher. Voucher type you can select as other, and in payment mode is credit as the customer didn't pay for it till, and in date you can update the remark as well. So we have one more scenario as well. If you are using any other software previously and now switch to eVital Lorix software, this customer has any outstanding balance from previous software, you can record those due balances in eVital Lorix as a debit voucher. And now click on your add option. So by this way, you can create a debit voucher. Now we'll see how to create a credit voucher. Credit voucher records advance payments or sales return. Example, if a customer pays in advance for any medicine, you can record it as a credit voucher and adjust it in the next bill. Credit voucher will impact is it is deducted from the customer due balance during the settlement. Enter the advance amount they had paid for you. Select the voucher type as credit, voucher as your advance, and update the payment mode and date. If you want to add any remark, you can add it and then click on your add option. So by this way, you can create a credit voucher. Now we'll see how to adjust those credit voucher and debit voucher during the payment. So for that, you have to go to the more option, here payment or receipt. So here you can select whether you are paying for only for customers alone or their customer plus family members. You can select it. I'm selecting here customer. So there are three scenarios. So first scenario, recording past due balance alone. When the customer pays only for their past dues, you can just select the debit voucher and select the debit voucher amount and then you can record it. Note it, debit voucher cannot partially settle. They have to pay the full amount. So by this way, you can record their past dues balance. Second scenario, if the customer is paying for the current invoice as well as for the debit voucher, you can select the current bill as well and then you can just click on your next option and then record it. This way you can record both current bill as well as the past dues of the payment. And then we have third scenario, if the customer already paid advance for any medicine and now they are purchasing that medicine, if you want to adjust it, you can select that current bill and then you can select that particular credit voucher advance payment value and then you can click on next, select the payment mode and click on record. If the customer paid for any medicine in advance, so you have recorded a credit voucher and now they are purchasing that medicine. While doing the sales also you can adjust it, enter the customer details along with product they have requested or they had paid advance amount. Once products are added, you can select the due amount here and then you can see the due list of due bills and also the credit voucher which is created, a debit voucher is created is automatically adjusted here. So if you want to edit it, you can edit like this. Credit voucher, you can select manually as well and then save and adjustment after selecting the payment mode. By this way, you can adjust the credit voucher in new sales bill. So by recording and handling vouchers correctly, You can manage advance payment, past dues, and combine settlements smoothly. It ensuring accurate ledger balances and clear tracking of customer account in eVital Loric software. Thank you.